In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot personalization tokens to customize your emails effectively. If you're looking to enhance your email marketing strategy and increase engagement, personalization is key. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website. Open your web browser and type in the URL to get started. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the sign-in page. Now, instead of manually entering your credentials, an easier option is to use the Sign In with Google feature. Just click on this option, and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your HubSpot account. This step streamlines the login process and gets you ready to start customizing your emails in no time. Next, it's time to dive into your HubSpot CRM. You can find the CRM section by clicking through the links provided on the site, which will guide you to the relevant page that lists your available templates. Once you're in the CRM, locate the Message Templates section. This is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to create and manage your email templates seamlessly. With that sorted, look for the New Template drop-down on the right side of your screen. This control gives you the flexibility to start crafting a fresh email template tailored to your needs. From here, you'll want to select the From Scratch option. This allows you to build a new template exactly the way you envision it, without any pre-populated content. Here's where personalization comes into play. You'll notice a personalized link at the bottom of your template creation page. Clicking here opens up a variety of personalization tokens you can use. These tokens are powerful tools that let you dynamically insert recipient-specific data into your emails. Whether it's a first name or company details, tokens ensure that each email feels unique and personalized to the recipient. Once you're satisfied with the setup, don't forget to save your progress. Look for the Save Template option. Clicking this will ensure all your hard work is preserved, ready for future use or deployment as part of your email campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a personalized email template using HubSpot personalization tokens. This customization not only enhances your email's appeal, but also improves user engagement by making each recipient feel individually valued. Personalization is a small step that leads to big results, so make sure it's a staple of your marketing strategy. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful tips on leveraging technology for your business needs. Until next time.